Hey everyone, and welcome to this short course on how to upskill your trading ability. As you may be aware, here at ShareWealth Systems, we're very well known for our rules-based mechanical trading systems SPA3 Trader and SPA3 Investor with their clear buy and sell signals. Having a rules-based planned approach to trading the markets is an important piece of the puzzle when it comes to succeeding over the long term. But there's also an equally important, I'd say even more important piece of the puzzle that doesn't get the same kind of recognition or attention, and that's having the right trading mindset. You want to be confident in whatever your approach you take and be able to execute it flawlessly at all times. So many traders have strategies that they think they're quite happy with, or they have some analysis skills that they quite often employ to decide which stocks to buy, but when it comes to pull the trigger to buy or sell, they change their mind or lose confidence, or they don't stick to their plan, and it ends up costing them. So in this course, we're going to help you get your trading head in the game and dive into the world of trading psychology with some assistance from Mark Douglas's classic book, Trading in the Zone. In these short sessions, we'll be exploring the key differences between the consistently successful traders and the constantly frustrated, struggling traders. We'll be doing this by focusing on the power of mindset. In the course, you'll do some quick and easy exercises that allow you to discover which skills are needed to become a truly unflappable skilled trader. And by the end, you'll be able to clearly identify what you personally need to improve within your own trading brain to achieve a higher order of skill. The goal is to help you uncover a deeper understanding of where you currently sit as a trader and what you need to do to take things to the next level. At ShareWealth Systems, we train traders to become even better versions of themselves. Doesn't matter if you've got years of experience or you're a beginner. This course will help you answer many important questions about yourself as a trader or investor. Okay, so what you're going to need to complete this short course is a few pieces of paper, maybe blank A4 paper and a pen, or an app like Evernote or Google Docs that allows you to take notes online. It would also be great if you had a copy of Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, but you can still do this training without it. However, once you complete it, to keep upskilling your trading prowess, we definitely suggest getting a copy. We didn't write it, we don't get a kickback from it, we just think it's worth its weight in gold and believe that every serious trader should have a copy. And if you don't know, Gary Stone was also mentored by Mark for many years. You'll also need an hour or two in total over these 6 short sessions, depending on how deeply you think about improving your trading skills and how much time you spend to doing the exercises. So let's get started on session 1 and unpack what may be the most important reflections and thoughts you've done in recent times in regards to your trading. So I want to start this session with a bold statement from Mark Douglas straight out of the book. Mark says, "Having worked with some of the best and some of the worst traders in the business, and having helped some of the worst become some of the best, I can state without a doubt that there are specific reasons why the best traders consistently outperform everyone else. If I had to distill all the reasons down to one, I'd simply say that the best traders think differently from the rest." So let's pause for a second. This is a big claim. While some skills like market analysis are important, Douglas is highlighting the crucial role of mindset here. So let's do a quick exercise, and don't worry, there's no right or wrong answer here. Just be honest with yourself and consider the implications. We'll delve deeper into this in the later sessions. I want you to think about the statement and ask yourself if you agree with Mark Douglas's last sentence, yes or no. Again, the last sentence of the quote was, "If I had to distill all of the reasons down to one, I would simply say that the best traders think differently from the rest." Try to allow your answer to these yes or no questions to come from what you were thinking as you heard or you read the quote. A short reflection is fine, but not a long deliberation. Try to do the same with the yes or no questions that follow. Okay, so if you answer no, what single reason would you distill it down to why the best traders consistently outperform everyone else? Would it be that they've got a better knowledge of the markets? Do they have superior analysis techniques of company finances or price movement? The length of time they're trading? Is it daily research? Access to market news quicker? A combo of any of those? And if you answered yes, what's your current understanding of how the best traders think? Write your answers down. Feel free to pause this if you need to and start again once you've got something on paper. Now, let's look at another interesting quote for exercise 2. So the quote is, "The defining characteristic that separates the consistent winners from everyone else is this. The winners have attained a mindset, a unique set of attitudes that allows them to remain disciplined, focused, and above all, confident in spite of the adverse conditions." Do you agree with this statement? Yes or no? If you answer no, then how confident and focused do you remain with your trading during adverse market conditions? On a scale of 1 to 5, how well do you maintain your composure during market fluctuations, with 1 being no confidence and 5 being completely composed and unfazed by any market movement? If you did agree to the statement and said yes, do you continue to trade through all market conditions, sticking to your plan without flinching? If not, what are your reasons? And also, what do you actually do to maintain your sense of confidence during those times and focus in all market conditions? Do you find it easy to take it in your stride, or does it come from some sort of exercise or mental preparation to help you get through it? This quote really highlights the importance of emotional control. Even the best traders face losses, but their mindset allows them to keep trading effectively. Now, before we finish up session 1, let's explore why successful traders might think differently. Remember, we acknowledge that the skills of market analysis are important, but it's the mindset that sets them apart. Here are some of the reasons. Great traders focus on their process, not their outcome. They focus on following their trading plan and managing risk, not obsessing over winning every single trade. Great traders also have an acceptance of the uncertainty. They understand the inherent uncertainty of the market, and they avoid the emotional roller coaster of wins and losses. They also possess discipline and patience. They stick to their plan and don't make impulsive decisions based on emotions. And they are continuously learning, constant learning and adapting to improve their skills and their strategies. So how do you cultivate a winning mindset? Well, we'll talk about that in the other sessions as you unpack more about yourself as a trader or investor and your beliefs about what it takes to be successful for a lifetime of trading. Remember, successful trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Cultivating a winning mindset takes time and effort, but the rewards will be significant when you do. So that's it for session 1. There are 5 more sessions in this short course. If you're ready for session 2, jump right in and keep the momentum going while it's all fresh in your mind. But thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button and subscribe for more insights on the market. And as always, this video is for education purposes only and shouldn't be taken as specific advice as to buy, hold or sell any particular instrument in the market, and that past performance is not an indication of future performance. We'll see you in the next session. Bye for now.